Okay, so here we are. We've found ourselves a nice little paddock. Do a bit of a demonstration on the headlights. So this is low beam with the new LED headlights. I picked up from motosales.com.au. So it's low beam. Let's flick it up to high beam. As you can see, it does light up a fair bit more. Now I don't know if that's actually going to show up too well with autofocus on these on this camera. So we'll try with a photo from my phone. Low beam. And high beam. Let's try that again. High beam. Get that damn flash off. Flash off. There we go. High beam. And low beam. As you can see, these lights put out some pretty decent amount of glow. I've been quite happy with them. And they even have a really distinct cutoff line. So here we are, I'm just back home, parked in the shed. As you can see, it kind of shows off the distinct cutoff line that you get with these headlights. It's really quite the cutoff. So that works quite well for not blinding all your oncoming traffic and seeing what you're wanting to see. So this will be a little bit out of place, but I thought I'd do a little bit of on the road video. So with the standard bulbs before I switch them back to the LEDs. As you can see, not much chop. It's actually quite shocking. And then high beam. Really, I can't see all that much with them. I'm amazed I was able to see anything really. So that's high beam. It's shocking. Anyway, low beam and high beam. Okay, so here we are. We've got our standard bulbs in and doing a little bit demonstration of them. Come out to the same place, facing the same direction, I hope. And we're just going to do the high beam, low beam trick again. So this is low beam, and same as last time, we'll take a photo. Low beam. And high beam. I must say, I definitely prefer the amount of light that I get with going with the LEDs. And as you saw with the video of going up and down through that little bit of unlit area, the standard bulbs aren't much chop. Anyway, we'll switch them out and we'll go for a run through that same section with the LEDs. Okay, so here we are, we're coming through the same section we did last time, only this time we've got the LEDs installed. As you can see, the light's a lot better than it was last time. Low beam, high beam. Low beam, high beam. As you can see, the LEDs definitely put out a lot more light, punch it down the road a bit further. I definitely think they're worth the money. Definitely feel like I can see a lot more. Anyway. The only thing to remember is that these lights are a bit larger past the connection. I'll put up some photos after this which will show the difference in the physical size of the bulbs, and you'll be able to see just what I mean about the bulbs being a different size. That being said, the bulbs do fit straight in on the ST anyway, so it's just a straight replacement. Undo the old one, put the new one in, plug it in, off you go. Don't have to worry about doing any extra wiring or anything else. It's just straight plug H4 connection. Anyway, like I said, I'll put up those pictures, and I hope you've enjoyed this bit of a review, and I look forward to reviewing something else for you next time, guys. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.